Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put frames on your wall. First, begin by carefully measuring the area where you plan to hang your frames. Think about the size and weight of each frame, as this will influence your hardware choice. It's a great idea to lay out your arrangement on the floor beforehand. This helps you visualize the final look and make any adjustments before you start drilling. Next, let's get those measurements onto the wall. Use a reliable tape measure to determine where each frame will go. Mark the exact spot for your hook or nail with a light pencil mark. Always use a spirit level to ensure your marks are perfectly straight, preventing crooked frames. Remember to factor in the distance from the top of your frame to its hanging wire or D-rings. Now it's time to install your chosen hanging hardware. If you're working with drywall, select suitable wall anchors to ensure a secure hold. Use a drill to create small pilot holes where necessary, then firmly insert your chosen hooks or nails. Make sure each piece of hardware is securely fastened and can support the weight of your frame. A stable foundation is key for a lasting display. Finally, it's time to hang your beautiful frames. Carefully lift each frame and place it onto its designated hook or nail. Take a moment to adjust each frame, ensuring it hangs perfectly level and aligned with others. Step back and view your entire arrangement from a distance to catch any misalignments. Make any small, final adjustments to achieve your desired, polished look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.